Hi guys, we're at this beautiful place owned by some beautiful people, and they want to change this entry door, and it has siding first. Then somebody put shake. They bought it this way, and they don't want the shake. They want to put a siding like that with strips, like board and batten, made by a company called Diamond Coat, K-O-T-E. We'll probably show you how we do that because I've still got to learn it. Anyway, we're changing this regular door to this one here. If you want to come over. And it's painted on the other side, I believe. The side is facing the inside is not painted yet. It has cedar trim inside here. I tried to call them, and they'll answer me back. And the frame that they bought has more of this brick mold, which really doesn't fit with the rustic look, but it might be what they want. So we're going to go ahead and put the other door in. That's one of the things I have to figure out is what the customer wants as far as trim. So this already has siding on it, and we're leaving it to help us not have to worry about layout. The window is going to be eliminated. We may move the outlet up here or somewhere else. We added from this light fixture to that light fixture up there, the one they found. The issues with the door is that this door jamb on the interior is 35 7/8, and on the interior of this one, it's 35 7/8. And I was talking to them about whether or not 81 3/4 did they want to leave it with the door toward the outside or toward the inside? The reason is because this is a thick wall. This one is 6 inches thick, an inch thicker. You end up with your hand kind of rubbing on the wall from one side or the other to turn the knob. So if I moved it inside, I'd have to cut the tile, and they'd have to decide whether or not they want to keep the tile. Or if I moved it to the outs, leave it like it is, then I leave pretty much everything the same. So I check first to see what the height of this would be. If it's the same, it doesn't matter. I'll fix it either way. And it's pretty close to the same. Sometimes you get one that's different. Like I bought a lot of new doors, and when you measure the top and the bottom, they're different. Like this one is on the bottom 36 1/8, and I can't really change that. This one on top is 35 7/8, so it's a 1/4 inch difference. Now where that'll show is on the on this line right here when you come inside and you see it, it'll show a different gap. As a matter of fact, let me take you to another door that they bought and we put in, and I'll show you that. Come on with me. So if you notice, the gap right here is almost a 1/4 inch, but the gap down there is a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch. So it kind of looks, I made it even so that doorknobs and everything would work properly, but see how that difference starts showing up. So a lot of times, if you want perfection, you're going to have to either cut down the jamb or just shop until you get the right measurement, because they're different at the factory. So again, this is what I give the offer to the customer to spend the extra money to me take it apart or go get another one. But generally, this is not that fussy a place out here. These people. That being said, we're going to go ahead and take the shake off, take the door out. We'll have to unscrew this little coat rack and start taking everything off the wall while we're here. And we'll show you what we go through.